are here at the Kali River Rapids.
Standby is 10 minutes.
Standby is 10 minutes. Let's go. This is what I like. We might just ride this all day long. Since we have not ridden it once since we've been back. We've not been on it once. Now we're going to come on it 1,000 times in a row. Where are those loud monkeys?
Down here right now.
They're not out yet. See, this is the one thing I do like about this park. We always talk about it, the shade. There's tons of shade here. Straight up walk on. And when it's 10 minutes, that's usually what it is. You're going to walk right up to this ride.
So if you're crazy like us and you go in the morning and do the straight on walk on, you can be wet all day. And then eventually get wet with the rain.
Yep. We'll see.
So fundamental pieces of tidbits of information. Orlando is wet in the summertime.
Yep. It's gonna rain. You gotta pick your windows if it's gonna rain in the morning or the afternoon. We just got rerouted. Look, we have Cobra Kai.
Still a walk on, people.
Cheap prices, friendly staff.
10 minutes.
I think we missed our last chance to get off of here.
Yes, we did. 5 minutes ago.
We missed it. We are going to get wet. That guy's soaking wet.
Raft 7, how many? All of them down to raft 7, how many?
Oh my God, we're going.
Where's the number 7? It's like follow the mats to number 7. I'm like, where's the number 7? What's the name of our boat? That one's something daddy.
Sugar Daddy. This one's so sorry.
So sorry.
So sorry.
Watch your step all the way back, buckle up. Watch your step. Watch your step all the way back and buckle up. Watch your step.
Buckle up. I think you're going to go right.
You want me to go right? Okay. What happened to the big pouch that you used to put your stuff in?
I probably don't want to be responsible for any of that stuff anymore.
Okay. You got to put your belt on. The big one's on this side.
Okay.
I'm gonna go around and check them. My shoes are here.
Yes.
Perfect. Circle on the tail of the hospital. Perfect. Back through y'all. One more big pull. Great. Here's the 12 kiddo. Good. Phenomenal on this side. Perfect. One more time. Here's here. Amazing. Perfect. Perfect. Awesome. All right. I'll say
We're all going to get wet. We're going to get one last video of everybody dry. Everybody's going to be dry.
That way, if this gets wet, I can put it over here. Everything doesn't get soaked. It depends. It's all about the spin.
Okay, you ready?
Ready. Who's
Should
going
I-
to eat? Who's going to eat the most water?
My mic gonna get drenched.
Doesn't matter.
So you put your feet up here. Yeah, put your feet up so your feet don't get wet. This will get wet.
We're going to see what's going to happen.
Sun is beaming.
There we go.
I have this huge feeling it's going to come pouring in here.
I want to know who's going to get the most wet.
Let's not feel it.
I think because he's sitting by himself, he's going to get the most wet because nobody's going to be there to absorb the extra water. Yeah.
It's coming in on me.
You're going to be the most wet. I'm sorry.
I'm getting out right now.
I'm sitting on top of you. Watch this. The seatbelt comes off quick.
Oh, that was too easy. That was way too easy.
That wasn't bad. See, we were all right. We survived.
Now let's turn. Let's get them.
Gotta wait till you get to the waterfall.
I was like, that came off way too easy.
That's what I mean, right?
Yep. I'm like, oh man.
Expecting a big.
Yep.
We're probably gonna do what we least expect.
Yeah, exactly. It's been so long since we've been on it. I don't even remember it.
But like 2 times.
There we go.
Didn't even get wet.
There we go. I already got wet. He wasn't here to absorb the water. You were supposed to be here.
This guy's not getting wet at all. Golden BB. If it gets you, it gets you.
Oh, great. Yeah, this one's not good.
This is a little dip here.
I can't see. What I can't see won't hurt me.
Oh yeah. Oh that.
Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Oh boy.
Oh man.
Here we go. I don't think anybody survived. Everybody got a little bit.
I don't think we leveled the boat bit good.
Oh my god.
Oh, there you go, more water.
Oh man.
Thank you about that 30 minutes.
We needed to balance the boat out better.
We should have brought umbrellas. Umbrellas.
Just put a giant pump.
There we go.
Here's where you can squint.
Oh shoot.
I was gonna say.
We were thinking about you as you got wet.
Oh, and this is where they're gonna squirt us. Please be nice. Don't squirt us.
Please be nice.
Please be nice. Be kind.
Be kind. Don't squirt me. Okay, we're done?
Thank you.
That wasn't so bad.
Hey, my feet didn't get wet. That's all I care about. Oh,
There we go.
They were not kind. They were not kind.
That was the icing on the cake.
So I did this on purpose so that the outside wouldn't get wet. Now the backside's wet.
The backside's wet.
more wet than anybody. And I my right
Well, that was pretty good.
All right, I survived.
Let's do it again.
Yeah. Actually, you got very wet. I did.
Yeah. I don't know how. I really don't know how we. I got some on my left side here.
That's because you put a little guy next to you. He didn't absorb enough water.
Is that your shirt?
See,
He got wet. He got wet.
yeah, but if he was bigger, he would absorb more water.
You gotta stay low. That's it. The little ones don't get it as much.
I
Oh no, he got it.
He got a little hit.
Yep. He went from a blue jay to a seagull.
It's kind of what happened this season.
We're Red Sox fans, so.
Orioles, baby. Don't worry.
Oh my God. This is
been a painful
this is a
20
boat
years
full of
for us.
all losing baseball
This
teams.
is the loser baseball team.
They were not kind.
We thought we were going to get good there for a couple of years, and that's gone now.
Yep. Well, that was a fun ride. Can I tell you something?
Huh?
The ride was fun and the people on it were fun.
Yeah, I know. That's the best part.
Yep. The people actually were pretty fun on the ride. So, and I don't know if you heard that we had Blue Jays, Red Sox, us, and Orioles fans, all teams with really bad losing records this year.
Okay,
So,
I guess I can put this on the outside now.
Okay,
I swapped my mic.
we're off to our next ride. Let's see if we can get
Hey.
on the Himalayan mountains and Yeti.